Hi, my name is Tyra and I'm volunteering for the Boys and Girls Club. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, and delicious after-school snack called banana sushi. All we need are 3 simple ingredients. We need a flour tortilla, could be any brand, bananas, and peanut butter. Okay, the first thing we want to do is grab a tortilla, and again, these are the soft tortillas, flour tortillas. We're going to get our peanut butter, get you a knife that you can spread, and again, you're going to use as much or as little peanut butter as you like. And just spread it on nice and even. This is something that you can make all on your own. You don't necessarily need an adult to cook or chop anything. So again, you can be very independent and do this yourself. If you don't necessarily like peanut butter and banana, you can actually substitute the banana for jelly and do the same thing. So I think this is enough peanut butter for me. So the next thing you want to do is grab your banana. Oops. And again, this is considered a healthy snack. Peanut butter has protein, and then of course your banana is a fruit. So you're going to put the banana on and lay it just like the tortilla is nice and rounded. You're going to grab it and roll. As you roll, the banana is going to flatten out. It might even break, and that's okay. It's going to roll slowly. The peanut butter is actually going to help the tortilla stick, which is good. So we're going to roll it. I am going to have a knife, so you might actually need some help with this. I'm going to cut the first piece. May not be the greatest because it's the end piece, and it's kind of awkwardly shaped. So I'm going to just slide that to the side, but you can still eat it. And then you're going to cut maybe an inch thick slice, nice and slow. And again, you might want to get an adult to help you with this part because you don't want to cut yourself. And this tortilla is kind of tricky because it's so soft. Cut one more. Or actually, you don't even have to cut it. You could just pick it up and eat it. It's your choice. But let me try one more. Okay, I'm just going to leave that there. And I had already made some before I started the video. Just going to add a few more of these to the plate. And I've added a few more pieces of fruit to it. And there you have it. Peanut butter and banana sushi. Really good, easy, and delicious. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe.